Outdoors does it again.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey guys, Chris and Derek here at High Ridge Outdoors. April 13th. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. We've been on the road since, I've been on the road since 3. Went to Derek's house, jumped in the truck with him. Now we're down here in Kentucky about to pull into the farm. So just want to give you guys a quick update. It's 40 degrees. Let's go get on some turkeys.
Smoked him.
I just blew him off the decoy.
Okay.
Dude, my heart was pounding for you. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Nice. That's amazing. What's up? Tell you what, guys, these turkey totes that we make, they're a game changer when you're running a gun into the turkey woods. Opening day, we got one. We're gonna get one more for Derek, and let's head home. All right, guys, we know there's birds down under us somewhere. We seen them in the fields. So we're up here with the ruler. We got it in neutral, and we're just rolling down the hill. Once we get up there, back around. So if the field is that way, this is gonna go right to the other side. got Derek here. We tried to go to, where did we try to go? And they were
The
booked,
Holiday Inn.
and they were booked. So now we ended up at the, we went to, where did we go after that?
Somewhere to eat.
Well, the Quality Inn.
Oh, the Quality Inn. But the Quality Inn had a tweaker in the car, dude tweaking. People just hanging out on their trunks in the parking lot. Other people going through people's cars. Like, yeah, just looks shady as shit. So we come to the Super 8, and there's 2 rooms left. A Super King, which I was fine to get, and Chris said he needed to enjoy his own bed, but this one doesn't have a working sink, so whatever, we come in here and it smells like straight cigarette smoke, which obviously you guys can't smell, but yeah, I think the cleaning lady smoked actually clean. But as you see here, they trying to paint this wall white. They didn't even get the fucking wall cover, and I think they're just doing sampling over here. They're like, oh, let's just dab different colors and make it look like a design. I mean, look at this. We got a cool flag kind of going on this thing. I'm pretty sure I saw a bed bug on the sheet that was out in the hallway. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with this painting here. But it straight stinks. We're probably going to leave and hit up the truck. So.
Yeah, I'm not going to sleep here, I'll be honest. Should we shower?
Yeah.
Alright guys, it is 6 o'clock. You know about our story last night, so we slept in the truck. I feel pretty good.
I feel alright. I think I'm just running off motivation.
That's Derek's quote of the day, running off motivation. Honestly, I slept pretty good. So it's we're gonna get out of here and we're gonna go hopefully get on some birds. Alright, we're set up on something we roosted last night. We didn't come to these ones originally. We stayed up in the field hoping we'd find something closer. But these ones are goblins, so we're here. Not the most ideal setup, but we'll see. Good job.
Good job. Ooh, yes, good job. Yeah, you smoked him.
Check him out. It's the...
All right.
Then we'll be climbing 3 hours later.
Yeah, then we'll finally be home.
Well, here, what will happen? We'll go over there and hear one.
Alright guys, it is 8:57 in the morning, second day of Kentucky season, and this is going to conclude our hunt on the same property. I shot one yesterday. We come in this morning. We roosted this bird last night. We tried to get on him. He did not want to leave his hen. We came in this morning and there was a couple more gobbling past him. We actually set up on those birds. He gobbled one time and him and his hen came down the ridge, and beautiful show. You'll see it. Came in strutting, white head. Beautiful hunt. This is actually Derek's first longbeard, and it's in Kentucky. So with that being said, Ohio Ridge Calls does it again. Thanks for watching. Got anything to say, Derek?
It was fun. It was exciting. Morning.
Alright guys, we're set up. There's birds gobbling all around us. But more specifically, right there.
Why would you be able to shoot?
I don't know if we could try. Come on, fly down. I fired them up. They might be on the ground. Sounds like they're getting closer, doesn't it? I hope those jakes don't come in first. The ones that flew away? No, there's some jakes with them. Oh, yeah. We heard some birds this morning. Oh, there they went again. We heard some birds this morning. We thought they were just gonna come right to us, but I ain't let them this way. So we're kind of just making along this creek thing. Found these tracks.
right, folks. High Ridge Calls, West Virginia, opening day. We did it again. This hunt had some up and downs. We got in this morning, and what time do you think they gobbled?
Super early. Earlier than we've been hearing.
Yeah, probably 6 o'clock maybe?
Yeah.
Probably gobbled at 6.
We thought it was going to be an easy hunt.
We thought, so they gobbled, and we weren't far from it at all. So we start making our way down the trail, and what do you know, we look up, and there's a Jake. Took off, flying.
Yeah, jumped 3 out of the tree.
Yep, 3 Jakes out of the tree, which really isn't a bad thing for us because we don't really want to shoot Jakes. So we get set up, and there's probably 4 or 5 hammering. Bam, bam, within 100 yards of us. I yelp the answer. Derek actually sees them fly down. He sees one of them fly down, and we see them on the ground. And next thing you know, they just walked away. There were several hens with them. I'd say there's probably 8 to 10 birds altogether. So they just walked away, and then what happened after that?
Well, yeah, the hen led them away. We thought it was going to be easy. They're just going to come right to our decoy, but yeah, I don't know if just too many hens were with them. And we kind of sat there waiting and waiting. We actually heard another hen behind another way. So we thought maybe give her some time to come in, maybe some strutters with her. But that didn't happen. Pretty much, long story short, we sat there and waited for a little bit, and we decided just to get up and head to the direction that the original gobblers and group of birds went. And we kind of got in a creek line, and we found their footprints. So we just started easing up the creek line and started hearing them gobble kind of from a distance, and just kept going up this creek line, and then finally got within range, and we had to stop and post up a couple times. Then we'd crawl 10 or 15 yards. Then we'd stop for help. We were probably posted up for 30 minutes one time. Crawled a little bit more.
The whole time we're posted up though, there's 30 turkeys out in the field.
Oh yeah, there was a lot. Like honestly, they just kept. We saw like 4 when we first finally got eyes on them again, and they must have joined up with another group or 2 because they were everywhere.
I mean, there were strutters from the right, from the left, way away. They were gobbling everywhere. They were fighting each other. There was Jakes, and that was the main problem, is we couldn't sneak close enough to them.
Because so many eyes on us.
Yeah, we had 80 eyes on us. But eventually we crawled up. I actually was going to stop like 5 yards back, and Derek just kept going that last push. And so we got set up there, and really, they circled to the left, and they went out kind of on this knob, and they came back, and that's why when we were farther back in the woods, well, they started going left again, and I was just like, well, once they kind of get left again out of sight, I say we made one more crawl forward, and let's just hope because they kept fighting, chasing hens, and the Jakes kept attacking the gobblers, and these 2 were not in the big group at all.
Yeah, they were like the outcast.
So
the biggest ones. I mean,
yeah, they were the biggest birds out there.
Luckily, they were the closest toms to come in range.
What really helped us was the other ones all grouped up, and these ones would only stay 20 yards away from them. And so we started calling at that big group, and the hens would come in, but they would stay like 50, 60 yards away. Well, these birds would be 30 yards or 20 to 30 yards away from them. So we kind of pinned that big group in between these ones, and the big group started coming, and these ones had no other choice but to come in, and
they walked right down the edge of the woods. I mean,
we did it.
Yeah.
All right, West Virginia Day 1 is complete. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with Kentucky and Ohio later on this season.
All right, guys, Jeff and I, it is May 1st. We're on some birds. They did not gobble at all in the roost. We actually left, went to another spot, and then heard these birds back where we originally started. There's a bunch of them. They were right where we're at, but then they popped over the hill, so now we worked up to them. We just set up. We'll see what happens.
Yes! Hell no, dude. We just did old-fashioned double, buddy. Let him go, let him go. That was good. Yeah, that was fun. That was badass. You just got a tank. Damn! You just got a major tank. He swamped that sucker. Yeah, back out in Ohio. Good call. Yeah, you just got a tank. Heavy. That was the main strutter. Yeah. Let's just look over there. Let's see. Sail fan coming up. Holy fuck. Hey, I told you, come over. Let's double.
Let's do it. Another gobble?
Yeah.
We're gobbling all over today.
All right, guys. Chris and Jeff here, Ohio Ridge Outdoors. We did it again. Last time we met up in southeastern Ohio, what happened?
He died.
He died. We met up today, and I had it all planned out. I found a couple strutters in a field that I've had permission to hunt for several years. Called the guy. He said, yeah, you're good to go. We show up this morning, and there's a truck there.
He said, oh no, there's a truck right in the spot. I'm like, ah.
So, that bird is hammering. So, anyways, I have permission at several of the farms right behind it. So we ended up parking and going into the woods behind the field. Not real close, but close enough that we would be able to hear the birds over there. Well, we waited till what, 6:40?
Didn't hear a gobble off the roost.
6:40, didn't hear a gobble. So I told him, I'm like, hey, let's load up, let's go across the road. I can hunt over there also. We go across the road, step out of the truck, yelp a couple times with the Purple Heart over Mahogany one-sided box call, and bam, they hammered right back in the woods we were just at.
We were just here.
We were literally just here. So we jump back in the truck, go back to where we originally parked.
Fired up
over there. That's where we just came from too.
Yeah, we were looking for you.
Yeah. So anyways, we get back to where we originally parked. We make our way up to the top of the ridge. We were below the ridge this morning. Make our way up to the top of the ridge. Call. They answered right where we're at this morning.
Yep.
Literally right where we were at this morning. So probably 25 minutes, they just stop answering. So we think they're just going to go ahead and make their way out to that field, and it's going to kind of be over. So I pull out the Purple Heart box call again, yelp 3 or 4 times. They answer, and the next time they answer, they're within 100 again.
Yep, they were coming. Chris was like, they're coming. Let's get ready. So we got ready, and it couldn't have been 5 minutes. They were silent. Nothing's happening. I'm thinking, man, when they gobble, they're going to be real close, and sure as crap.
So they popped up to my left, and I told him, I'm like, I see him. Well, there was one strutter, and he was probably 50 yards away, and I'm beat it up on him, and I just kept telling Jeff, like, hey, I'm going to wait. We're just going to wait and see what happens, see when the other ones come in. And then Jeff says, here they come, right to the decoy. So I'm looking at the one to the left, and I'm like, I don't see them coming to the decoy. I peek out to the right, and here they are, 15 yards.
Two of them
coming.
Right to the decoy.
This one gets up, hits the decoy. I hurry up and flip on him, and the rest is history.
Yeah.
High Ridge Outdoors does it again.
Again, buddy. Good stuff.
Yes. www.ohioridgeoutdoors.com.
Check these calls out. We've had a lot of good compliments about all these calls this year. We really enjoy getting pictures and the feedback with everything, so keep it up. Good luck.
Thanks, guys.